English tips. Let me have the opportunity to share useful tips to help you gain more motivation and access the most useful English learning resources. Look, today I will review a website that's the Calling Dictionary. So over here you can see we have a lot of functions of the first one, language. You can figure out the theories, word list, grammar, conjunction, sentences, video, and a lot of things. They are useful. They can help you to improve grammar and the expressions, useful expressions, and how to pronounce correctly in English or other languages so effectively. You can see over here, we have pronunciation with the specific syllables, specific alphabets they gave you, and the last one they give you the quiz to improve more. Now let's go to translation. Translation is over languages available, and you can translate with your favorite or learning language you are focused on. So I post this sentence here, Vietnamese, and I translate it in English right over here, and below they have the related content. Very good. Games. I go to the game. In this we have a lot of grammars and collocations, confusables, and so more with a lot of languages. I click on the first one to show English grammar. Alright, and the second one you can click on to choose the correct answer, including 5 sentences, 5 quizzes, most quizzes in this one. So ended the quiz, you can review it, right? You can review it. You scroll down and see what happened and what mistake you have made. Overall, it's so quite good. We go to schools. In schools, we have some materials to provide the primary school and the secondary school. Below, they also give us a lot of calling dictionaries for schools. Over here, I walk to the right and you can see tons of books. Now, I switch into another one, is blog. In blogs, they provide us a lot of useful articles. So make sure that you can differentiate well a lot of words and grammar. So I will have this article, like and references. You can over here, it's quite good, and it prefer another language, and make sure you can learn both things. We have over 100% pages. And now we go to the last one, resources. Resources is refer us just tons of books, tons of materials over here for kids with many languages, not English except for English. You can study with us on Quizlet and download the apps to learn vocabularies further and help you to improve and be effective on the language yet your preferences. So I highly recommend this dictionary for your English learning process. I hope this one can help you further in the journey. And yes, goodbye. Subscribe for more.